Welcome to Richard's Garage. Master mechanic.
And I'm Richard. This is about as far as Ted will let me work on the cars to jack it up. So I'm not a mechanic, and Ted said just jack the car up, put the jack stands underneath it. Don't do anything else. What we got going on, we're taking my 1973 914, and with Ted's help, we're going to rebuild the carburetors. They're Weber 40 IDA, and it's been quite a while. It's been several years since we've taken them apart to do the rebuild kit. So technically that's what we're going to be doing today with Ted's help and your help behind the camera, Richard Mason Hughes, and our team of Ro and Shara. Ro, and then Shara's to the right, and Shara's to the right. Today what we're doing is we're pulling the carburetors off of the car. It's been probably, I've been owning the car for about 33 years. And actually prior to that, I don't think the carburetors have probably been pulled off the car for a good 35 plus years. So it was definitely due time to make the change. So here with Ted's help, we're going to do a partial rebuild, a cleaning. We're using the ultrasonic tank, which you'll see some footage of, in order to remove a lot of the debris or material that is built up on the carburetors themselves.
This carburetor is the float level with this set at 18 millimeters. The float level should be 12.5 to 13 millimeters above the deck. So that's what this gauge is. One side is 13 millimeters, the other is 12.5. I put this on here and it should just touch, but there's a tiny little air gap. So that means this float is too low.
Okay.
Right, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this and I'm going to adjust this little tab. So this is what we're adjusting. This tab right here, that's what activates the needle and seat, which closes off the fuel flow. Otherwise, fuel will just keep running or it'll get shut off too early.
So we're just going through the process now, and Ted's about to put the carburetors back together and then put them back on the car. And then we'll do some tune work, get some heat in the engine, and then make whatever adjustments we need to in order to do a final tune for the new carburetors, so the new freshly rebuilt carburetors. Yeah, what we're looking at here is the old accelerator pump diaphragms. So cloth material, rubber. So we're replacing the old ones with a new one, which is going to be just like that, nice and fresh. You can see the difference. A gasket for the lids, and this is the used one. You can see, your good 35 years of plus of usage, and they still don't look too bad. They're not torn in any way. And then this will be certainly the fresh one that will be replacing the old one. Nice and clean, and probably good for another 35 years. I probably won't be here by then. With the age that I am, that would make me, from 72 to 35, that'd make me 107 years old. Yeah. Hopefully I'll be here, but I doubt it.
Don't worry, I'll take care of your car.
Yeah.
That thing looks so good.